Hi there. My name is Joseph Dane. I'm also known as Julius Dane. And wanted to share this little video with you on how to boost your immune system to fight coronavirus. There are many ways to do that. There are many nutrients that one can take to help on a physical basis to boost your immune system. This video will focus only on vitamin C. Which I've found many people, although it's been around for decades and known in many circles, and most people have some idea that it helps. The amount of ignorance that's out there, frankly, is still surprising to me. So I want to share some surprising stuff that's going on in terms of ways that vitamin C can help a person to fight off the coronavirus and to get through it much better, or maybe not even get it at all. Okay, so first of all, there is a doctor is working with Northwell Health Facilities in Long Island, Dr. Andrew Weber, and he is using megadoses of vitamin C to fight the coronavirus with patients who have the coronavirus. He is currently using 1,500 milligrams of intravenous vitamin C, meaning it's injected directly into the arm. This is repeated 3 or 4 or 5 times a day, which would total up to 6,000 milligrams of vitamin C per day for each patient. The patients who receive vitamin C, he says, did significantly better than those who did not get vitamin C. He says, quote, "It helps a tremendous amount, but it is not highlighted because it's not a sexy thing." So we see that doctors right now are using intravenous vitamin C to fight the coronavirus. Right now, there's also a study going on with the National Institutes of Health to see if vitamin C will help with pneumonia, one of the main complications of the coronavirus. Now, a lot of people say that if you eat a good diet, that you don't really have to worry. You don't have to take extra vitamin C. It's useless. It's just going to be expensive urine. So when we look at the facts, though, we see that those claims are not really based on all that much for a lot of people, because unfortunately, a lot of people have a vitamin C deficiency, especially in the elderly. You find it a lot. And we know that coronavirus, particularly, is a disease that's attacking the elderly. So we've already established that coronavirus often leads to pneumonia. When it first was discovered in late 2019, it was discovered as a cluster of pneumonia cases with an unknown cause. And they discovered that the cause of the pneumonia was something that at the time they called severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, or SARS-CoV-2. Okay, so coronavirus leads to pneumonia in a lot of cases, unfortunately. Now, if we could just find something that would help us to fight pneumonia, you would think then that could help us to battle off coronavirus. Okay, so I did some research and I found a paper, and I'll include the links down below. This paper was published in the journal Nutrients. It's a peer-reviewed journal, November 3rd, 2017. And it says, quote, "Beneficial effects of vitamin C on recovery have been noted in pneumonia in elderly people hospitalized because of pneumonia who were determined to have very low vitamin C levels. Administration of vitamin C reduced the respiratory symptom score in the more severe patients. In other pneumonia patients, low-dose vitamin C, that was from 250 milligrams to 800 milligrams per day, reduced the hospital stay by 19%. So they stayed in the hospital one-fifth shorter amount of time than people who did not have any vitamin C. But what's more surprising, what's more incredible, is that when they gave these patients, these elderly patients, more vitamin C, when they gave them between 500 milligrams and 1,600 milligrams per day, it decreased the hospitalization by 36%. They stayed in the hospital a full third less time than people who didn't get vitamin C at all. And this is in a peer-reviewed article in the journal Nutrients. So we can see there's plenty of evidence that, in fact, vitamin C does help fight the effects of coronavirus. And in fact, this article goes on to say that vitamin C can help you prevent you from getting sick in the first place with God's help. It says, quote, since prophylactic vitamin C administration, prophylactic meaning that you take the vitamin before you show any signs of getting sick, prophylactic vitamin C administration also appears to decrease the risk of developing more serious respiratory infections, such as pneumonia. It is likely that the low vitamin C levels observed during respiratory infections are both a cause and a consequence of the disease. In other words, the fact that people had low vitamin C levels to begin with made them susceptible to getting sick from pneumonia in that case. And so I urge you to look into getting more vitamin C to help you to protect your body from the coronavirus. And incidentally, the government says the UL, the upper tolerable upper level for vitamin C is 2,000 milligrams per day, but we see many people have great results, levels that are much more than that. I'll include the links down below. Please, thank you so much for watching this video. You stay safe and be healthy.